Hello friends, good evening. I'm Dr. Aditi Bhatnagar and today's live is about some facts about automatic writing. Yes, we've all heard so much about automatic writing, but we still are a little curious to know what it is, what exactly it is, how we can accomplish automatic writing, and why should we learn automatic writing, which is a very valid question. Why should we be doing automatic writing? Hey Vijeta, thank you so much for joining in. So before I actually talk about automatic writing, I would like to tell you something about my own journey. So I'm Dr. Aditi Bhatnagar and yes, I am a physician. Hi Seep Marota, thanks so much for taking out time and joining in. So I'm Dr. Aditi Bhatnagar and way back in 1997 when I was still doing my homeopathic graduation, I chanced upon doing Reiki. And yes, I will, I want to confess that I did not do Reiki because I wanted to learn something about the spirituality thing, nothing like that. Hi Nisha Jaggi, thanks so much for joining in. I know you're very busy with your Bowen therapy, but thanks so much. Yeah. So at that time during our internship, I sort of heard this lady standing there and saying, if you put a hand on someone, we can heal them because there is this universal energy which is present and you can heal them. So I said, okay, fine, let us just learn it and see, because here we are, day in and day out, we are studying so much and we are trying to do so much work so that we can heal people. Hey Molina, thanks so much for joining in this evening. Hello Sridhar, thanks so much for joining. So I chanced to learn Reiki, and from then on began an absolute love affair with what you call as energy healing. And whatever I do today, be it automatic writing, be it Akashic records, or angel therapy, chakra balancing, chakra healing, whatever I do, my tarot, this is all an extension of energy healing, or you can say all an extension of Reiki, because these are all one after the other. You sort of start getting insights and you start learning a lot of things. Hi Radhika Gupta, thank you so much for joining in. So about automatic writing, as the term says, automatic, it means on its own. So I'm not going to really get into the whole technical part of things, how and what and how it was coined and what it entails. But yes, when we are talking about automatic writing, hi Stella, you joined at the right time. I was just starting to talk about what automatic writing is. Hi Simran Kaur, thank you so much for joining in. I know it's a Sunday and you're a teacher, you're a busy person, but thanks so much. So hi Vimla Rao, good evening. So automatic writing means on our own, our hand starts moving, the pen that we hold starts writing. Yeah, how does it happen? So I would like to start by talking something about mind. What is this mind? We have a brain and we have a mind, and in this mind we have something called as a conscious mind and something as an unconscious mind. And trust me, the conscious mind is just the tip of the iceberg from which we operate. We kind of cook food, we eat food, we go for a walk, whatever we do during our daily life, the regular conversation, that is all our conscious mind talking. But there is a big part, below the iceberg, that we say the base of the iceberg. It's huge, and that is the unconscious mind. Now our unconscious mind is the one that holds memories, habits, and so many of our lives that we have lived before. They are stored in the unconscious mind like files. I mean, I hope that sometime in life, some elderly person or your friend or some spiritual guide that you have must have said, Shant raho, or keep quiet and meditate. You will get your own answers, because we have all our answers within us. Or there are times when we say, go sit and pray, either in the temple of your house, or you can go to a gurdwara, wherever. And when you pray in silence, when you pray in quietness, when you are calm inside, the answers will come. This is exactly what we are talking about. Now when we do automatic writing, we calm ourselves, we center ourselves, and we allow our unconscious mind to flower up. And once the unconscious mind is tapped into, of course we will go with full protection. There is a whole process to it, and that is exactly why we need to learn the process. That is why this course. So yes, we go with full protection, with full preparation, and also with this intent that we are going to write all the guidances that we can have. Hi Nitin Gupta, thanks so much for joining in. I know you got to calculate the time in Nairobi and India, but thank you so much for taking out time. Hey Amrita Bano, thanks for this lovely heart. Yeah, Hi Pratiksha Rama, I'm very good. Thank you so much for joining in. So we're talking about automatic writing. So what do we do with automatic writing? We tap into our unconscious mind and we ask, or we get guidances or answers to specific questions that we want answered. We can also get answers for our friends if they are going through a difficult time, they need guidance. Hi Shonaka Bhatnagar, thank you so much. So if we are looking for particular guidances of specific questions, we can definitely get. So these questions can be anything about when will my child will my child get an admission in a particular college, or when will I have a great career, when am I supposed, when will I get this much money, I am looking for this. Or if you're looking for a job change, if you're looking for a house, anything and everything. Yeah, but there is a proper technique, because as we know that we are surrounded by spirits. We are living in a particular dimension, but there are so many other dimensions which are existing. Now there's nothing to get scared about this when I say that. As I said, there is a technique, and that technique needs to be learned, and this you will learn in this course of automatic writing. Yes, Nitin Gupta, it is interesting. How we know that dolphins talk or whales converse, but if you see them, they are just moving around in the sea. We cannot hear their conversations. Why? Because there is a certain frequency, there is a certain vibration, and this is exactly what we are talking about. Hi Bhavna Puri, thank you so much for joining in. I know this is your Sunday, in between the office, this one day of probably calm and peace. Thank you so much for taking out time. So in automatic writing, what we do is we go with full protection, and there are techniques on how to protect yourself. Of course, there are psychic attacks. Of course, there are a lot of things that there are there. There are positive and negative spirits also. So we need to know how to connect, what to do, and all those things will be taught in the course. But I want to give you one of the best news ever. A lot of times people come and tell me it is so difficult. बहुत मुश्किल है, बहुत time लगता है. How will I do it? Is it possible for me? Trust me, you can do it. Everyone can do it. And you merely need 5 hours. Even 5 hours, I think by the end of 5 hours, I'm sure you're going to feel that you are a pro at it. Hey Vijayta, yes, it is. We sort of, sometimes we forget in our own dimension that we feel that this is all that exists, Vijayta. But yes, dolphins are there, whales are there. There are different frequencies, there are so many whales which are existing. So if you do automatic writing, you do the spiritual journey, you will realize that it is simply about moving from one dimension to another, visiting that another dimension. How we all visit so many dimensions when we are dreaming at night. There is something called as lucid dreaming also, but there is simply, the dreaming that we do. Hey Ursa Emma, thank you so much. I know you must be busy. Sundays are family days, and you have a wonderful chirpy daughter. Thank you so much. I know you are in Bhubaneswar, so thank you so much for saying hi from Bhubaneswar. It makes a lot of difference to me. Yes, I always felt that your hands will start running itself. It increased. Yes, Nitin Gupta, the hands run itself. Actually, it's not about that they have started writing themselves. It's that the download from the spirit guides, the download of the messages is so fast that your hand just starts, writing. And at times you will see that you've just scribbled through. At times you're not even able to read properly because you want to write so quickly. It's like, there's a conversation happening, or there are certain visuals that you are seeing. See, everything, how you will get the message depends upon a lot of things. Of course, I'll be explaining to that, explaining in detail as to what exactly, how you are going to get the messages and how to tap into that. But yes, when the hand starts moving, when you start writing, it is like magic. It is just like magic. And you should join the course, Nitin, and you will see for yourself how beautifully life turns out for you yourself. And also the best thing I feel is that if you are able to help somebody achieve what they want, get what they want, or get the guidance. Mainly it's about guidance. There are times we are at crossroads and we don't know what to do, where to go, what decision to take, and both the decisions are very, very critical to us. So at that time, you can definitely look at it. Yes, Seep Mehrotra, even I had these thoughts that how will I do it, but you made it learn to us in a simple way. Yes, Seep Mehrotra, the idea that I have, I'm teaching automatic writing and so extensively is because what I've realized is people have these notions. It is a very difficult thing. There are spirits, there are this, there are that. How is it, how am I going to do? But trust me, what I feel is you need to simplify all of it. Everything is technique. I want to give another example. chai banana. We all know how to make tea. Yeah, we all learn how to make tea. So it is simple. Gas jalao, doodh, water, patti, chini and everything, and it is made. But you know, when as a child you were learning it, or when you learn it for the first time, you take time to switch on the gas, you take time to put the bowl, proper bowl, you know, which will fit on the gas, and then you will say, okay, this much milk, this much water, this much sugar, and you make your own concoction. The tea you make for yourself will be very different from the tea somebody else likes. So exactly here I will teach you how to make tea. So in a way, how to do automatic writing. But your mixture, the way you get messages, how you want to connect, everything will be your own recipe. So you have to learn. So in these 5 hours flat, so I take 1 hour every alternate day. That is the way I have planned out the course. So we need only 5 days, 1 hour every alternate day, and you will be a pro by the end of these 5 hours, or you can say 5 days. But yes, see, the course does not finish there just in 5 hours. What I also do is the classroom course finishes in 5 hours, or you can say 5 days. That is 1 hour every alternate day. But after that, every week you are given a homework. So we are in touch for the next 3 to 4 weeks. So in a way, you can say this is a month-long course. But to learn the technique, to learn how to do it, you will learn in 5 hours flat, and that is my promise to you. So nothing really to worry about it. As I said, you just have to learn the process, you have to learn the technique, and the techniques are not very difficult. And later on we go on honing the skills, and yes, I'm always there. I'm always there to guide you. Yeah, so yes, see, that is really nice. Nitin Gupta, wow, that's encouraging to hear. Yes, Nitin, it is very, very encouraging. And as I said, I like to have things simple, have things very clear cut. So the process is cut and dried and laid out. Yes, Shrim Ganpati, how would I validate that the answer is correct to me? Wow, this is a very interesting one, Shrim. See, how do we validate? It's simply when we start out. We ask, either we ask a question, or we, get the guidance for a friend. So ask short-term questions. Like what would be my next week like? What should I be paying attention to the next week? And then you get an answer, write it down, note it down, and then the next week is right there in front of you, and you'll get your answer and you'll validate it on your own. Yeah, and of course there are a lot of other techniques how you can validate if the answers are right back there when you're already having answers. That you'll have to join the course to learn. It's extremely interesting. Yes, Pratiksha Rama, it is magical. I know it sounds magical, but if you're looking at, having a guided life, or improving your ability to make some wise decision, and also have more clarity in your daily life, always feeling supported, always feeling that yes, there is somebody guiding me, and even if I'm taking one of the most critical decisions, I know there is this divine energy which is backing me. I think that is a wonderful and a very as they say, raat ko neend bahut achhi aati hai. You'll be able to sleep in a much better fashion, because you know that all your decisions, you are not alone. And who is there? The Lord himself, God himself is with us. Yes, makes sense. Thank you. The tea example, I know. I think if you are a simple person, if you are going to simplify things, then you will always give simple examples, right? So, and I think for Indians at least, tea is such a inseparable part of our life. We wake up to tea in the evening, or we go anywhere, we say chalo chai pe chalte. So I think tea is one of the most commonest example here. Yes, Radhika Gupta, there are times you don't get the answers. Absolutely right, Radhika. There will be times when you don't get answer. Now, there are a lot of reasons why you will not get answer. I will not go into the technical ones, but the most easiest one to understand is, you know what, Radhika, there are times when students come to me and they say, I want to learn automatic writing. I've been really intrigued by it, and I know it's going, my friend learned it, and she gets so many answers, and she really leads an empowered living. So I also want to learn. Then I ask them, have you done any other modality? Do you meditate? Do you pray? So the answer sometimes, or many times, is no. Radhika, it's so important to have a clean channel. It is simple. If you have a tap here and you want to give water to a plant, you put a pipe. But if the pipe is muddy, then the water will not flow immediately. The tap will open. Yes, the water will flow. Yes, but first the water is going to clear your channel, and only then after some time you will see the water trickling out of the pipe. So Radhika, the most commonest example that I can give you right now, or the most commonest thing that I can tell you why somebody doesn't get the answer, is because their own channels are not clean. So when you want to learn automatic writing, like this time we are beginning our course tomorrow, and one student of mine who wants to learn automatic writing acknowledged to me that she wants to learn, but she has not been really meditating. She doesn't really know how to go about it, and she's never really done any modality. So she is learning all about chakras and also the chakra meditation from me, learning how to clean the chakras, how to balance the chakras, and yes, she started doing that. Once your channel is clean, automatically the water will flow. That means automatically the download will come. Always understand, Radhika, that the angels, the ascended masters, our own forefathers, our guides, they're all there, standing there waiting to guide us. And they guide us in so many ways. Sometimes it can be numbers, recurring numbers, 1111, 8888, 6666, whatever. Sometimes you might find feathers by your doorstep. Sometimes you might be thinking about something and somebody just comes out and talks about that very thing that you wanted to hear, or discusses about it. So these are all synchronicities, but you will only be able to notice these synchronicities, Radhika, only if you are having a clear channel, if you are having that eye for it. And we have to develop an eye. So trust me, one thing is for sure, once you learn the technique how to do automatic writing, and I have attuned you, your channel will be open. But how clear that channel will be depends upon you. And the more clearer the channel, the more possibility of getting answers is there. So if your channel is not clean, you might not get an immediate answer, but persistence is the word that you need to hold on to. If you are persistent, if you keep on doing automatic writing every single day for 21 or 42 consecutive days, in some time you will realize that yes, your channels are opening, because automatic writing in itself is a very powerful cleansing activity, Radhika. So if you continue to do your own automatic writing practice, after some time you will say, okay, this word triggered this color, this is the color I saw, or this is one visual that just flashed, or I felt this, or I could smell this. So these experiences with the you will start getting all these experiences. So yes, you always get answers. Trust me, Radhika, it is just that if you aren't sensitive enough, if your channel is not clear enough, then you might not be able to decipher the answers, you might not be able to see the answer or hear the answer. So the trick is to first clean your own self, and that we will all learn in automatic writing also. Yeah, Radhika? So yes, your next question was, what is the energy exchange, please? So yes, let me take a minute to explain you. I take 5 hours classes, which are 5 classroom hours. After that, there is a lot of practice that I do before I finally give you the certificate. So you can say our classes end up to nearly a month, and the energy exchange for all of this is 11,000 rupees only, which is a one-time payment. Yeah. Yes, Stella Matthews, would it help me? It helps everybody. It helps everybody, Stella, because if you are living, if we have a life, we are going to have good experiences, we are going to have bad experiences, we will get answers, and we will be faced with questions, and we will be at times faced with absolutely very, very confusing questions, serious decisions. And when it is that, we definitely need intuition by our side, we need clarity of mind, we need support. And there are times when we feel, okay, whatever our mentor is saying or our elders are saying, it's not really what we want to do. So if you want to walk the path which is perfectly aligned to the purpose of your life, you need to do automatic writing. Because see, our parents, our mentors, they might sometimes waver in the sense, they might say, oh my god, Stella is this, I think this would be better for her, or this would be, she should do like this should be nice for her. But when we talk to our spirit guides are going to give you the answer which is perfectly in alignment to the purpose of your life. They will not say, okay, it is difficult, so let's waive it off for Stella. They will say, no, it is difficult, but it is important for Stella to learn this lesson. So yes, we will give her the courage, we will walk with her, We will, hold her hand all through, but she needs to do this. So they will give you the right answer. So there are times when you might not like what they are saying, but the point is, it's not about liking or not liking, it's about doing the right thing. Yes, Stella? So it is going to help you, me, everyone. Do consider joining in. We start tomorrow. Yes, Nitin Gupta, do I have to meditate regularly to be able to be eligible for the course? Basically, what are the criteria to be a student? Nitin Gupta, everybody and anybody can be a student. You don't need to meditate regularly. What I'm saying is, in case you've been meditating, it makes it easier for you, because all these spiritual practices, be it Reiki, be it pranic healing, be it simply praying, we are all meditating. So if you are meditating, you are there. But if you haven't been meditating at all, it's okay. Just be aware that you haven't been meditating, and don't get swayed by what the other students are saying, because there are so many different kind of people. Some people are used to meditating for an hour or 2 hours, and they do it regularly. So they have already, walked a few steps ahead. So just don't get swayed by what the other person is going through, what the other person is thinking. So it's not necessarily that you should be, meditating already. As you start automatic writing in itself is a meditative exercise. So yes, you will meditate then and there. You can learn immediately. Let automatic writing be your gateway or be your doorway to meditation, and I'm sure you're going to like it. Yes. Shreem Ganpati, thank you, Dr. Aditi Bhatnagar, that helps. Thank you so much, Shreem. So see you in the class, this class or any class, as I say, all in divine timing. Yes, Seep Mehrotra, yes, we are doing the homework, and it is only honing our skills, and I have received very positive feedbacks from my clients. So that is so heartening, Seep. I mean, you are such a diligent student. Of course, you've done Reiki, and you are so much into meditation, and you have a positive outlook to life and a great amount of compassion and kindness. And I feel when you have compassion and kindness and you do automatic writing, the answer or the feedback is going to be wonderful. So congratulations on your course. And I know we have still not completed the course. We are still on and on, about how to do and what to do and what are the questions and everything. But I'm so happy that all your clients are very happy with you. The feedback is so good. I read the feedback on our group, or you send it to me personally, and trust me, you do feel happy. I feel proud, extremely proud of my students. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Yes, we have to go a long way ahead. Yes, Simran Kaur, Aditi, what's the difference between automatic writing and mediumship? Okay, so Simran, when we are doing automatic writing, we are actually getting messages from our spirit guides. That is how we connect. Yeah, and we write with the pen on a paper. But when we are doing mediumship, we are connecting with the deceased person, with the person who's already crossed over. So we connect with the soul of that person. And there is nothing like writing on a book or something like that. We directly talk, or it's like a conversation happening. Yeah. So this is the difference between automatic writing and mediumship. But yes, the gradual progression at times is through automatic writing. Okay. And it's not necessary that you do mediumship also. In automatic writing also, you can get messages from the deceased person. And you can still do automatic writing, even though the person is no more, here along with you, but they can send you messages. While in mediumship, there is nothing like writing. You simply connect to the person, connect to the deceased soul, and get messages. Yeah. Hey Prashant Samant, thank you so much. Lovely, lovely, lovely to see you. I could never expect you here. You are a big surprise. Yes, it is interesting, Prashant. I know. So friends, he is my fellow homeopath. He is my batchmate, and it's so lovely to see, a physician friend hearing what I am saying and finding it interesting. So Prashant, you definitely need to do this and expand your horizon and get into spirituality also. I know you are a very deeply spiritual person, and I know what all you do. But yes, I understand that this is a totally new arena for you, but worth dabbling into, Prashant. Yeah. Hey Wendy Reynolds, thank you so much for watching. Yes, Bhavna Kushwaha, ma'am, I'm consciously aware about it, but the subconscious fears about encountering those negative spirits keep me stuck. I understand, Bhavna, as I said at the beginning of the session, that there are a lot of dimensions that are existing, and we are in one particular dimension. So yes, in this course, we have a full chapter on how do we manage the negative forces also. So yes, there are a lot of techniques that you will be learning how to do automatic writing very safely, how to protect yourself, how to protect your surroundings, how to protect your loved ones while you are doing automatic writing. And trust me, once you learn the technique, as I said, jab hum chai banate, when we start making tea, there is a chance that we might burn our fingers, right? But then slowly and slowly we get used to it, and slowly and slowly we learn how to make tea nicely. So slowly and slowly, taking baby steps, Bhavna Kushwaha, you will learn how to do it perfectly. It's just a little time taking, and time taking for everybody. We might simply know the technique in our mind, we might learn the technique by heart, but when you perform it, when you do it, give it some time. Yes, Bhavna, so nothing to worry. There are techniques on how to how you can, sort of ward away all the negativity, the negative spirits, and move ahead. So don't allow this subconscious fear that we were talking about in the mind, the conscious mind and the unconscious mind. Don't allow this fear to overpower you. Okay? Hey Vani Kaushal, thank you so much for watching. Yes, Shona Kare Bhatnagar, what is the right way to make the protection circle before starting automatic writing? Okay, so Shona Kare Bhatnagar, this is something that is a part of the whole course. So if you have done the course, I'm sure you would know it. Otherwise, I would urge you to join the course so that you learn the entire technique, how we need to do automatic writing. We cannot learn automatic writing in parts. Yeah. So this we will be going through the entire technique, entire process in the course, which is spread over 5 days, or you can say 5 hours, 1 hour every consecutive days, and then there are practical sessions for the next month, 1 month. So in 1 month, you will learn the entire process by heart. You will be able to do it anywhere, any time of the day. Yes. So looking forward to your participation. Yes, Shrim Ganpati, one more question please. If I learn the course and practice for some time, I need to enroll again, or I am attuned to it for life? Okay, so once you are attuned for life, Shrim Ganpati. There is nothing like the closure, in the sense that the channels get closed or something like that. No, it's not like that. Once you are attuned for life. Once you learn the technique, you learn the technique for life. All what may happen is, probably in between you might just feel that, okay, I don't want to practice, so you might not practice for some time and forget the technique. But if you would have written down properly, if you would have taken the notes, and as my teacher would say, dil se suno, she would say, hear it from here. So when I was doing Reiki also way back in 1997, she never allowed us to take any notes. She would say, dil se suno, whatever you need, you'll store it here, and whatever you don't need, you'll simply not even remember it, and the books are going to be of no use. So trust me, you will know the technique always, you will be attuned always. All you need to do is simply fine tune by practicing it again and again and again. Yes, Shrim Ganpati? Didn't understand the 42 days please. 42 days for what? Okay, I was talking about practicing it. So you see, Nitin, there is a philosophy that goes that if you do something for 21 consecutive days, or 42 consecutive days, or moving ahead 66 consecutive days or 64 consecutive days, it becomes a habit for life, and you can never forget it. So that is why the concept of 21 days or 42 days. And that's why I say, if you practice it continuously for so many days, you will remember it for life. Yeah. The times and days you are doing the classes, please. Yes, Pratiksha Rama, we are starting from tomorrow. That is 21st, 23rd, 25th, 27th and 29th of September. We'll be doing it India time 8 to 9 p.m. In case you are not able to attend from 8 to 9 p.m. on these days, you can always ask for a recording, and we will send you the recording. We are going to do this course on Zoom, so you can do it. And afterwards, after these 5 classroom sessions where there might be other students, then it is the experience or the honing of the skill is always a one-to-one activity. Because you know what, Pratiksha Rama, you are going to have a different set of people with whom you are going to practice. You are going to have your own set of questions for which you are looking for answers, Pratiksha. So that is always a one-to-one thing. I never mix it, because there is something called as privacy, which I hold very close to my heart. So yes, tomorrow we are beginning the course, that is on 21st, and as I said, every alternate day, 21, 23, 25, 27 and 29 of September. And after that, it is going to be literally the entire, nearly the whole of October, we are going to do the honing of our skills, that is practicing and practicing and practicing, with a lot of one-to-one, to and fro question answers and confirmations, we are going to do this course. Yes. Yes, I think always you need to trust and believe. Absolutely, Pratiksha Rama, we need to trust and believe. If we trust and believe, only then we are able to move ahead. Be it with a simple human relationship or whatever, even whatever we read, the best of the books we may read, but if we do not trust or if we do not believe in the writer or what that writer is writing, we will never be able to enjoy even a fictional book, right? We might not be able to enjoy the Harry Potter. Yes. Okay, so the time and the days I just said, but I'll repeat it for your convenience. The time is 8 p.m. to 9 p.m. India time on 21st, 23rd, 25th, 27th and 29th of September. These are the classroom days, and apart from that, we will be doing the practice sessions that will all be one-to-one. Yeah, so India time 8 to 9 p.m. But in case you are unable to attend the classes, you may ask for a recording and you will be getting the recording. And once you've gone through the recording, if you have any questions, please feel free to ask. Yes. Nitin Gupta, makes sense, clears the inhibitions. Thank you so much, Nitin. Thank you. Yes, Radhika, there are times you get a different guidance from the actual. How do you justify? Okay, so there is a huge background to it. This is about absolutely what Pratiksha Rama was talking about, trust and belief. So there are a lot of things, as I said, technical aspects. If you keep the technical aspects right, you will not get a different guidance. You will always get the right guidance. Because trust me, Radhika, as they say, angels, spirit guides, these are the people who are sent by God to guide you. And as I said, howsoever difficult the path may be, they will still tell you that this is the right path for you, this is the right way you need to go. And if it's difficult, they will say, yes, we are walking with you, so there's nothing to worry, Radhika. So you will not really get a different guidance. Yeah. And so there are a lot of things that why you might be getting a wrong guidance according to you, that you feel that it's a wrong guidance. So we'll need to explore that, but that we'll explore in the class. Yes. Hi Swati Sahai, good evening. Yes, so I hope that some of the questions have been answered. Finally, before winding up the session, I feel we have covered most of the points that I wanted to cover. And thank you so much for your active participation. Thank you for the questions. They make my sharing all the more worthwhile to me, because I feel that I am interacting with an intelligent audience, an audience that has done its homework, that knows about it. Right, so it's always very heartening to have a dialogue and just clear out the cobwebs. So yes, once more, we'll be starting the automatic writing, a very simplified version of automatic writing from tomorrow. 5 classroom sessions of 1 hour each, and then literally a 3 to 4 week long practice sessions, because that is where we learn more. Theory definitely is most important, because we are going to learn so many things about spirit guides, about how to protect ourselves, how to really go and get guidances, how to travel in our past. That is one of the most interesting part of automatic writing, how safely you can go and look up what you were in your past life, because all the issues that we are having in this life are somewhere or the other connected to something that has happened in the past life. But in this life, we are always wondering, why is this happening to me? What did I do to, have this kind of either a relationship or this event in my life, and all these problems. So you can always travel back and find out. You can also have a futuristic projection. So there are all these things are, I say, automatic writing is a huge bouquet of flowers. And all these past, future, present guidances, everyday synchronicities, for your own self, for other people, it's a huge bouquet of flowers. Do consider learning it, because it's absolutely simple. Please don't get into all the talks that are going on. It's very difficult, it's very dangerous. No, it isn't. If we do it the proper way, it isn't difficult. And yes, it's absolutely simple. So if you want to lead a guided life, if you want to lead a protected life, please do join automatic writing. My number is 9650047734, and the details of the class and what it entails are on the group. Do take out time to read it. Even if you're not joining, I'm sure it will leave you a little more enriched. Bye bye. Have a great Sunday ahead.